selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai BJP wo buddha de mantha single manake Modi ji no buddha de bebak single manake selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai BJP wo buddha de mantha single manake Modi ji no buddha de bebak single manake Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar Selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar Kumulung mejang nake tai barsa nanggo kumbar edisi resinai pursari kumbubar edisi resinai pursari podo kumbar selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai Sofano edisi habang selainai Alejandro edisi habang selainai Okumawi komo langsung Thokai koksawi dofano falaro Hapla sawi kobon langsung edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai Selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang selainai edisi habang
Good morning media friends, thank you for covering my door-to-door camping. Today I am here in Twimodul village. So I came door-to-door camping and I got opportunity to have interaction, people to people, house to house, family to family. Their only main thing is that last 5 years they have given chance to Tiprasa for governing the TTADC. However, they have been neglected and they are being deprived from various schemes. So they have expressed their sorrows and disheartenment. So I assured them that you bring us to power, vote us, vote for change, vote for good governance and vote for administrative reform. Then we will proceed with the schemes. For young youth and entrepreneurship, this is how we will go approach. We have been camping, ensuring our youth for self-sustainability, self-empowerment, not only in case of government jobs, but also to be an entrepreneur and ease of doing business. So we will sit with the youth of the people, we will discuss how to make it Atmanirbhar village, how to make it self-sustainable village, how to bring revenue generation from the village. So that is how we will plan. So I assured them, obviously, if you bring us to power, then obviously we will sit together and we will see how we can sort this unemployment and employment generation, entrepreneurship.